Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And today it's kind of exciting, the new catalog and so on. Well, last year I shared out to put these tabs and I still have this printout and I changed a few things so it go with this year catalog. And I shared the same video than last year. That was my reveal catalog, but I started where it's done for the tab. It's just that it's cardstock, and if you pull too hard, sometimes this happens. So I thought, let's try something different this year. But like I said, I still have this method if you like that, and it's kind of cutting. This is super simple. You see how clear and very, you can look through them. So I'm going to share with you how I done that. So again, on my blog, below you get the description, or above in the eye, you're going to have the printout to do the labels. This is just shipping label or address label. It's the 8460 in the ivory that measure 1 and 2 and 5/8. So the 8460, maybe you get different one that it's the same size. That's perfectly fine. That's the box I had here, and I know I used different one in the past that was the same size. So again, it's 1 and 2 and 5/8. And you get this printout too also with the labels. So you're going to need to print out 2 of the labels because you need on one side and one on the other side. I'm going to go through that. And you get every page that go with the labels. So you don't have to worry which page this go on and so on. You could always stamp something or take an ink marker and change the color. Because if you notice, each section get a different color. You can alternate that with those color if you like. I wanted to keep it plain and clean, so I didn't put any color. So you see they go this way, and then you can look at it easy because they're labeled, so they're kind of, they're soft, so it's not like a cardstock, put it that way. So when you start, I'm going to start another section here. You're going to start at the beginning, just like that. I wanted to start so you guys can see from the thing. So now we're going to go at love, thanks, and support. First thing you want to do is take your silicone mat. That's going to come very handy. So what I done, I took a ruler. It doesn't matter the size of the ruler, okay? You're going to line that up right here at the edge. You're going to take a pen and do a line. Now, you're going to take from the line, just right from the line, you're going to do a mark at 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch, do a mark again from your line to right at the edge at 1/2 inch. Do a mark. Now you're going to put your ruler at the mark and at the mark, and then you're going to draw your line. And so now you get a silicone mat with 2 lines. I bet hand sanitizer going to remove that, so don't worry about that. Now the first step, now I'm back to the top. We're going to start right at the top. One thing that you have to be careful, make sure the page are not stick together, because that happen. If that happen, you're going to use the heat and tool and warm up your label, and it's going to peel right out without any problem. You're going to put your page at the first line, okay? You're not quite in the camera there. Your page right at the first line. So line that up. That's how I can tell if my label are straight or not. Now it's love, thanks, and support. So your label gonna be right at the top of the line there. Not at the top, but line it up right at the second line. Put that in like this. Now lift this up. See, it's come right off. Now I just twist that in the back, and then I can match my camera. It's in my way very bad, but you just match this perfectly on top of the other label. Voila. Now the second one. Now you're going to go to the next page. So the next page is going to be 127. I'm going to go at 127. So I'm going to show you how to alternate them. So now it's artistic expression. I'm going to put that right here. The line is right there. I'm going to get my label on my hand so it's ready to go. Now, where are you going to put that? Well, I'm going to bring my last one there that I put. Going to put that right there. and I'm going to say it's about right here. So I'm going to put my finger, even if they overlap a little bit, that's okay. Put it right here at the line. And then flip this up again and bring the other one. It's kind of tricky in the camera here. And you're going to keep on going all the way. So you always going to bring your next one, like the one after that, it's 183. 127, 183. So I would go at 183. And that's the ink, paper, and color. Bring my two labels. So that's why you need two of the labels. You're going to bring that right here. Now, the camera, it's not enough. Here we go. So I would bring that right there again. And then bring the last one that I done. And then I say, okay, ink and paper. Right, that was the last one. It's going to come about right here. So now I'm going to put my finger there. And put my ink and paper there. And maybe you want to color your tab, because you know sometimes you get used to color with tabs, whatever, so that would help. Now I'm going to put the other one there. So I'm going to show you when it's almost done what it looks like. So now when you get your catalog, it's easy to look through it. Oh, I wanted birthday. Here we go. They're right here. My birthdays are right here. Oh, I wanted the color choice. Flip it up, you get all your color choice there. Also, I bet you're wondering, where did I get my catalog spiral bind? Well, last year after searching, going at mini store around Houston, nobody wanted to do it. Someplace Staple or Office Max, so on, going to do it, or FedEx Office going to do it. So look at an office store. Many times you get places that going to do the spiral bind. So I got mine done, and I put a clear plastic in the front, and also I added in mine, maybe you want to keep that in mind if you get yours, I got a pocket that I made. So sometimes you get those or your wish list, I'm going to have that in there. So this is it, but see how they are easy, and they're just the tabs, so they flip easy. This is cardstock, so it's a little bit stronger, but then it rips. Sometimes it want to rip the page if you're not careful. So this is it, my friend. I hope this is going to help you. Again, the free printout for both of them. The tab or the labels, they're both on my blog just below or above. Just come and see me, and you're going to have the free download right there. Thank you so much for your support, and have a lovely day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.